Hey guys, hi, welcome to Kicking in the Kitchen with Kay. I know I tell you guys to come back and kick it with me, but today wasn't, you know what, it's okay. What? You want to learn some more recipes? What you want? You don't know. I'm supposed to have it. You're right. Well, thanks for tuning in. Today on Kicking It in the Kitchen with Kay, we will be making some salmon burgers. Yes, salmon burgers from real salmon filet. I'm gonna get a blender, chop that thing up, and throw it on the grill. If you don't have a grill, you can use a stovetop. If you don't have a blender, you can use the knife and the cutting board and just chop it up. Get all your ingredients together and let's get this flipping burger on the grill. Let's go! Here we have a bowl of warm water. You're going to place the salmon in the water for about 3 minutes, which helps remove the skin a little bit more easier. You're going to grab your sharp knife and you're going to get to cutting. If you are forming the burgers by hand and not a blender, I would suggest cutting the cubes of salmon into small pieces, chopping them up, and binding it together to form your patties. Now we have the peppers. I'm going to cut up the red peppers. Next, we're going to dice the onions. If you are making patties by hand, be sure to dice onions really small to form the patty. Next, we're going to add some jalapeños. Here we have all the seasoning: onion powder, Italian seasoning, black pepper, sweet and smoky grill mate, garlic powder, complete seasoning, OUHBOY, salmon rub, Chef Jenn salmon rub, sweet and savory, egg, fish fry. Add a teaspoon of each seasoning together. Beat egg and add to the mix. And again, if you are not using a blender, you do the same steps, but instead you're adding all of this to a bowl and you will be hand mixing all the ingredients together to form your patty. I blend everything together for about 12 seconds. Next, add the fish fry. Unfortunately, you're not able to see me forming a patty. Form the patties just like you would a hamburger. Roll ingredients into a smooth ball. Flatten patty inside the palm of your hands. Smooth edges. If you are using a frying pan, put some oil in the frying pan. Do not put too much, just enough to cover half of the patties. If you are using a grill, be sure it's preset at 400 degrees and grill for approximately 10 minutes until you see golden, crusted, flaky, beautiful salmon burgers. Next, we're going to start on the bacon. I have here Sam's Choice Uncured Turkey Bacon. Last are the buns. You can't have bread without the butter.
Oh boy. Yeah, that's great.
I am using a Thai sweet chili sauce. This is great for gatherings, great for kids. They won't even know it's salmon. They just think it's a burger. And for all my pescatarians out here, this is a great way to spice it up. You're tired of just having salmon fillets in the oven? Well, here you go. Kick it with me more often and learn some new pescatarian recipes. No more boring meals. So good. Be sure, try this recipe at home. You will not be disappointed. Thank you for coming, kicking it in the kitchen with Kay. Oh my goodness, I don't even want to talk. Don't forget to share the news. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Come kick it with me and learn some recipes. You know what I'm saying? You still here? Dang. Thanks for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the link.